So whenever we are using a variable, every variable will have some address. The variable is after all a location in the memory. Understood or not? Since we are using some location in the memory as a variable, that location will have its own starting address. So that starting address will be used by the programming language to access that variable. Now in C language, we have a mechanism to access the addresses of those variables. So directly you can access the variable contents. We can also access the contents of those variables by using the variable addresses. C language is having a concept of pointer variables. Then what is a pointer variable in C language? It is a special variable which can hold address of any other variable in your program. Here I am using a variable A. That A is having the value 20 in it, which is of integer type variable, and that variable is having the address 7270. Now the 7270 is the location where 20 is stored, and then I am referring that 7270 area by using a name A. Understood or not? That means you can access this 20, that means the content, by using this address or by using this particular variable name. That means this variable name is referring this particular address. Then I am using another variable, and then I am naming that variable as P, and then its address is assume 80810. Okay, that is the address of this variable. Now this variable is having 7270. Then what is the 7270? 7270 is address of this memory area allocated for a variable A. That means now this P is pointing out this memory area. That means you can access now 20 by using this A or by using the P as well. This P is now called as pointer. This is a pointer variable, and here A is integer variable. Then how we can achieve this using C language? Okay, so if you want to use any variable in the C language, first you have to declare it. So I am going to declare A as integer variable because it is going to hold integer value 20. Then automatically a memory area is allocated for that variable A, and then that memory area now associated with a name A. Now we are going to use P as a pointer variable. So in the C language, we have a special mechanism to declare a pointer variable. That means you need to use asterisk before that pointer variable to make that variable as a pointer variable. Then I am using that mechanism. Int. Why int I am using? Here, why int I am using? Since this pointer is pointing out integer type variable. Since this pointer is pointing out integer variable, then I need to use int as a pointer variable type. How I can say this is a pointer? Since I have asterisk before that variable name, now the C language compiler will consider P as a pointer variable. Now, so far what happened? I have declared A, and then I have initialized 20 into that, and then I have declared P as a pointer variable. But now I have to store the address of that A into that pointer variable. Then how I can do that? Simply by using P is equal to get the address of that variable, you can use address of symbol, address of A. If you use this statement, automatically P now will have address of A. And to display the value present in that variable, I can use two ways. Print %d, I can use A directly, then the content of the variable, integer variable A is 20, 20 will be displayed. Let me consider this is printf statement, not print. And then I can also do the same thing by using pointer. Then if you want to get the value of a variable pointing out by a pointer variable, we need to use star. Then star p we need to use to get the value present in that A. See, now p is pointing out, carefully observe this diagram. P is pointing out a variable A. Now I want to access the 20, that is nothing but the value present in that variable which is pointing out by P. To get that value present in that variable A pointing out by P, we need to use star P. Okay, so having said this, directly I am going with the C compiler to explain the things. Then here we need the declarations. I am declaring a variable A and then I am storing value 20 in it. Then I am going to declare a pointer to point out integer variable A. Then the type is, the pointer is now pointing out a variable of type int. That's why I have used int there. Since that is a pointer variable, I am declaring asterisk must be there, and the p is the name of the variable I am going to use. Okay. Then first, let me explain you how to assign the address into that pointer variable. Simply p is equal to address of A. Now first, before displaying the value present in that variable by using that variable name as well as the pointer, first I want to mention what is the content of p. Okay, then let me display, I am going to display the address of A by using address of operator with A and also the content of pointer p. Okay, then the address of variable A is equal to the access specifier to display the pointer is p, percentage p we need to use. Here I am using address of A. So automatically you will get, so address of A, where the variable A is stored, that address you can get as a display. Let me run it. See, this is the address where the variable A is stored. So since I have assigned that address into the variable p, let me display that value by using that pointer p as well. So both must be same. Now I am displaying the address of variable A present in the pointer p. Then p I am displaying. So both must be same. Address of A and the pointer variable content p, both must be same. See, if you observe both, the address of A, now the value present in the p, both are same. That's what I have mentioned here. See, in the example also, I have considered 7270 is the address of A. Now I have displayed the address of A, I got something. So after displaying the content of P, I got the same address. This 7270 is present at P. See, the same thing I got the practically also. So whatever the address we have for the A variable, the same address now will be available in another variable P. That means P is now acting as a pointer. Then I am going to display, I am going to access the content of that variable by using variable name as well as the pointer. Then I am using another printf statement. In the new line, the value in variable is, since the value is of integer type, the format specifier is %d. Now I am going to display the value in that variable by using the variable name A. See, and after that I am going to display the value present in that variable by using the pointer as well. Or you can access the value present in that variable by using its pointer, *, and that pointer variable name you need to use. Using pointer is, then here to access the value present in the variable using the pointer, *, that pointer variable I need to use. Then let me run the program. Now I got the value in the variable. Directly I have access to the value in that variable by using the variable name. After that I have access to the value in that variable by using its pointer, and then addresses are same here. The address of A is same as now the value present in that pointer P.